So I just made the video shooting these frogs right here, these two frogs. And as you can hear, I'm cooking more plastic, only because I want to do this again. I want to shoot these again. These came out excellent out of this CNC mold, and I've said it before, do it again. Best_NJ. I will put a link in the description. But look at the quality of this mold. And I don't have to wait, 10 days to get it. Get this in 1 day. Or I think 2 days. Got this in 2 days. Don't have to use clamps. It's an awesome mold. So we're shooting this again. Here, we'll get this ready. Alright, there we go. We're at 350. So let's hit this mold again. I always gotta spin it up one more time. Alright, let's hit this again. It just looks so good. Okay, we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna put even pressure going down. Slow, even pressure. Once I bottom out, pick up. Keep letting that flow, drizzle on in there. Make sure I don't get it on my other frogs right there. And that should be perfect. Boink. And a boink. And there goes the tip. Alright, let's give it a couple minutes. Been about 2 minutes. Let's unscrew these. And like I said, I had to make a second video because I want to know, and that's what I thought. Look at that. Besides the fact I just, pulled the legs over, but they shot perfect. So this is the hook slot that's on them. As you can see, no sticking because you're using CNC aluminum. Look at these.